Could you respect my boundaries? Wow.
I need to tell you something, but you gotta come here so I can whisper it to you. You look like a potato.
What if you're happy and you know we clap your hands?
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Can I also have a carrot? Thank you. Can you help me with this, please? Nice.
Endo, go get me a beer. Good boy.
Get sexy. Ooh. Go snuggle with Daddy.
Told you you could be on the couch. Are you supposed to be up there?